I am Vikash Kumar. In today's video, we will discuss the Command Center ATMS control room. Definition: the Command Center is the central hub of ATMS where all subsystems TMCS, VIDES, VASD, VMS, OFC are integrated and monitored. Purpose: to perform real-time monitoring of highway incidents, dispatch response teams, and ensure proper coordination. 2016 Scene Circular: monitoring camera feeds and maintaining dashboards. Dispatching RPVs, route patrol vehicles, and ambulances. Managing messaging and incident response. Physical servers were used to manage feeds. 2023 Circular: 2 video walls, one for TMCS-general monitoring and one for VIDES. Unified ATMS software integrating all subsystems, VIDES, TMCS, VMS, etc. Software must be STQC certified. Mandatory video recording storage for 180 days. Aadhaar-based attendance system for staff. Staffing: 1 operator per 15 TMCS cameras plus highway O&M staff and data analyst. Dedicated workstation for the traffic enforcement agency inside the control room. Integration with Raj Marg Yatra, Data Lake, ICCC, and GNSS-Tolling. Key point: in 2016, the Command Center was mainly used for monitoring and dispatch, but in 2023, it has been modernized into an integrated brain, now handling AI-based incident detection, enforcement, reporting, and coordination. Note: one-line summary. The Command Center is the brain of ATMS. Earlier, 2016, it handled only monitoring and vehicle dispatch, but now, 2023, it has become a fully integrated control hub with modern software, video walls, Aadhaar-based attendance, 180-day recording, and enforcement integration. If you found this video informative, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Toll Tech Academy for more such information.